Sure we had fun tonight. You and me felt alright. But it's time you pick up your phone. You won't be worth my while. Me and you won't work out. Pick it up, pack it up, get a cab and go. It's not your phone, my baby.
Hey y'all, it's Danielle, and today we're doing these easy jumbo box braids. These are good for beginners because of how quick and easy and large they are. I ended up with a total of 19 braids and was finished the install within 2 hours. So I definitely recommend giving these a try if you're looking for a hairstyle that will have you looking put together but won't take you forever. So I'm starting out on freshly washed hair, and this video is part of a 2-part series. So the first part was my wash day routine, so if you haven't seen that, go ahead and check that video out first. But yeah, so my hair was twisted up and I just put it into a bonnet overnight. This is the next day and I'm going in with my protective style. So I had 3.5 packs of hair, and the first step for me was to figure out how big I want the braids to be. So I sectioned out sections of hair that were the size that I want my braids to be, and then right now I'm trying to figure out, once all my hair is sectioned out, how many braids I'll be able to do. So this is 1.5 packs of hair, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sections for the braids. I have 2 packs of hair remaining, and I figured out that I'm able to do about 4.5 braids per pack of hair. The hair that I'm using is this Spectra Easy Braid 26-inch hair. The color is 1B, and like I said, out of this pack of hair I'm able to get about 4.5 braids. So out of these 2 packs I'll be able to get about 11 braids, and then I have like half of a braid left over as well, so I might be able to like take a little bit from some other sections to create another full braid. So it's looking like I need to be sectioning my hair into 11 plus 7, between 18 and 19 sections, so that I know that I have enough hair to cover each section. Now, I am not really the best when it comes to parting, but I just did my best and used a little mirror to kind of like check my work as I went. And I went ahead and parted out 19 sections and then twisted each one up after it was parted. I didn't do any particular parting pattern, but I wanted to show you guys like a little bit of how I did it, just in case you're interested or wanted some ideas on how to part out your sections. So now I'm completely done and it's time to start braiding. So I'm going to start in the back in the right corner. I'm just going to pin up everything else and then get to work on actually doing that first braid. I'm only using one product and one tool for this hairstyle, and that's the Shine and Jam and this rat tail comb. So to start that first section, I'm going to go ahead and thoroughly saturate the perimeter of that section in Shine and Jam, just to make sure that it's as smooth and sleek as possible and that I can get the maximum grip when I'm actually ready to start braiding. So now I'm taking my first section of hair and I'm going to split it into 2 sections. One is about 1/3 and the other is about 2/3. Then I looped the smaller section over the larger section and just made sure that everything was even at the bottom. And then I put my fingers through in a gripping position so that I can grip not only the synthetic hair but also my real hair as I start to braid. I do use the comb to try to blend my hair in with the synthetic hair. So that's one little technique that you can use to try to get everything to blend a little bit more seamlessly. But yeah, I just continue to braid down the length of the braiding hair. So that's one braid done, but I do want to point out that it is not completely perfect, and that's okay. This is what we're doing at home. It doesn't have to be super tight to the scalp. It's supposed to be a protective style, which means that it shouldn't be pulling your hair too tight. You don't want to lose any hair in the process. Perfection is very elusive, so if you can't get it 100% right, it's okay as long as it still looks neat.
I don't wanna wait no more.
sweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter.
That is it for this video. Hopefully it was informative and you learned how to do jumbo box braids, and if so, don't forget to leave me a like. Also subscribe to my channel, and of course I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.